David, you don't see a 12% move for Ford shares very often. In fact, I can probably count on my hand a handful of times over the last 20 years that I've seen the stock move this much, this quickly. And here's the reason why. When you take a look at the earnings for the third quarter, much better than expected, almost double what the street was estimating, earning 51 cents a share. But they also said, look, we expect stronger Q4 sales. They're raising their profit target for 2021, was 9 to 10 billion. Now they're saying it's going to be 10.5 to 11.5 billion. And in terms of the semiconductor situation, it is far better than what we saw at the end of the second quarter. Remember, they said, hey, we're cutting back our production in Q2. Did much better in Q3. They say the supply is improving, and it will throughout 2022. Strong EV demand, a growing order bank. So you put all this together, and you've got shares basically at levels we haven't seen since 2013, 2014. And this brings up the question, how has Ford done under Jim Farley? For some context, take a look at the shares of Ford under the previous four CEOs. We know what happened with Hackett and Mark Fields. Alan Mulally is the only Ford CEO since 2000 who has seen the shares appreciate. Bill Ford, who ran the company in the early 2000s, the stock really didn't do anything. Now take a look at Ford shares since Jim Farley became CEO in October of last year, up 160%. That chart says it all. And again, stock up almost 12% today, guys.